In the hush of a winter garden, when most plants have surrendered, one figure keeps moving. Not fast, not flashy, just steady. Broccoli. A crop that doesn't demand tropical heat or perfect conditions, only a little patience, a touch of planning, and the courage to grow when the air bites. And that's the secret of broccoli's appeal. It is, in many ways, the cold season warrior of the vegetable world, built for cool weather, shaped by resilience, and, if you treat it right, remarkably generous. Today, we'll follow broccoli through its natural rhythm, why it thrives when others struggle, why it's so valuable on the plate, and exactly how you can grow it, especially in cooler climates, without losing your mind, your seedlings, or your dignity. Because broccoli does not reward panic, it rewards consistency. A plant designed for the chill. Imagine the average garden in early spring or late autumn. The soil is cold, the mornings arrive with mist. The sun hangs low and uncommitted, like it's thinking about leaving. This is not the world of tomatoes or basil. Those plants want warmth, they crave it. Broccoli does not. Broccoli belongs to a family, brassicas, that evolved to prefer cool temperatures, and you can see it in its behavior. When the weather is mild, broccoli grows with focus. Leaves unfurl like protective shields, stems thicken, energy gathers. And then, when the plant is ready, it produces the famous crown, tight florets clustered like a miniature forest. In cool weather, the crown forms slowly, evenly, less stress, less bolting, less bitterness. But when broccoli is forced into heat, it becomes impatient. It rushes, it panics, it bolts and flowers. It's the botanical version of trying to work calmly while someone holds a hairdryer to your face. So if you live somewhere with cool springs, mild summers, or crisp autumns, broccoli is practically waving at you from the seed packet. Finally, it says, a reasonable climate. The cold hardy truth. Now, cold hardy doesn't mean invincible. Broccoli won't happily sit under deep freezes for weeks, but it can handle cool temperatures far better than most popular garden crops, and it often tolerates light frost, especially once it's established. In fact, many gardeners swear broccoli tastes better after a touch of cold. Why? Because in cooler conditions, plants often build up natural sugars and protective compounds as a kind of anti-freeze strategy. So that crisp, sweet, clean flavor you get from broccoli grown in cooler seasons, that's resilience you can taste. And if your garden has unpredictable spring weather, warm one week, cold the next, broccoli is one of the few crops that doesn't immediately collapse into drama. It just adjusts. Broccoli's health benefits, why this plant is worth your time. Let's step away from the garden for a moment and look at why broccoli has such a reputation. Because broccoli isn't just healthy, it's strategically healthy. It's the kind of vegetable you eat and feel like you've made at least 3 responsible life choices in a row. Vitamin C. Broccoli is a strong source of vitamin C, supporting immune function and helping the body build and repair tissues. In colder months, when sunlight is scarce and sniffles are everywhere, foods like this matter. Vitamin K. Then there's vitamin K, known for its role in normal blood clotting and also supporting bone health. Broccoli doesn't just show up with one benefit, it arrives with a full toolkit. Fiber. Broccoli is also rich in fiber, important for digestion, gut health, and long-lasting fullness. Which means broccoli doesn't just feed you, it stabilizes you. You eat broccoli and suddenly you're not hunting snacks like a confused raccoon at midnight. Antioxidants and protective plant compounds. And then we get to the more fascinating part. Broccoli contains a range of natural plant compounds, antioxidants and sulfur-containing compounds that are heavily studied for their role in supporting overall health. Now, we're not going to promise miracles. This isn't a superhero cape in vegetable form. But broccoli is undeniably a nutrient-dense crop. If you're trying to eat more whole foods, improve your diet, or simply add a reliable green anchor to meals, broccoli is one of the best candidates. Why people should grow broccoli. So why grow broccoli instead of buying it? 3 reasons. 1. Freshness changes everything. Store broccoli can be fine, but fresh broccoli, harvested and eaten within hours, has a snap and sweetness most people never experience. It's a different vegetable. 2. You control the quality. No mystery sprays, no wilted crowns, no, this was harvested 2 weeks ago and toured 3 countries. When you grow it, you decide the timing. 3. It's a high-value crop. Broccoli isn't always cheap, especially organic. And when you grow it well, you can harvest not just 1 crown, but side shoots too. 1 plant can keep giving. A small broccoli patch can quietly become one of the best deals in your garden. The broccoli timeline: when to plant for cool climates. If broccoli had a motto, it would be start early, stay cool. In many climates, there are 2 main broccoli seasons. Spring broccoli. You start seedlings indoors, transplant outside while it's still cool, and aim to harvest before summer heat arrives. Autumn broccoli. You start in summer, transplant out, and let the plant mature as temperatures cool down, often producing beautiful crowns in early autumn, sometimes into early winter, depending on your region. If your summers get hot, autumn broccoli can be the easier route because the plant forms heads in cooling temperatures, its favorite conditions. Seed starting, the calm, controlled beginning. Broccoli can be started from seed indoors with very simple rules. Use a seed starting mix, light, not heavy soil. Keep it evenly moist, not soaked. Give it strong light once it sprouts. Broccoli seedlings want bright light and coolish air. If they grow too warm and too dim, they stretch and weaken. And here's a common mistake. People treat broccoli seedlings like tomatoes. Warm room, low light, lots of time indoors. Broccoli responds by becoming thin, floppy, and deeply disappointed in your leadership. So give them light, airflow, and don't baby them too long. When they have a few true leaves and sturdy stems, they're ready to prepare for the outside world. Soil and feeding. Broccoli is hungry, but not needy. Broccoli is one of those plants that appreciates a good meal. It's a leafy crop building a dense head, so it draws heavily on nutrients, especially nitrogen, early on. You don't need complicated chemistry. Just give it compost worked into the soil before planting, consistent watering, and a balanced organic feed if growth stalls. The key word is consistent. Broccoli does not want drought followed by flooding, feast followed by famine, chaos. If your watering is erratic, broccoli may form small heads, become bitter, or bolt early. Think of broccoli like an athlete. It wants steady training, steady hydration, and steady nutrition, not inspirational speeches. The cold advantage: how to protect broccoli in rough weather. If you're growing broccoli through colder months, you have a powerful ally: simple protection. You don't need a heated greenhouse. Often, a basic setup does wonders: fleece, row cover, cold frame, or even a makeshift tunnel. This protects from harsh wind, heavy frost, and hungry wildlife, while still letting the plant enjoy cool temperatures. And if a light frost arrives, broccoli usually doesn't panic. It stands there like a plant in a fur coat saying, "Is that all you've got?" The true enemy: pests with ambition. Now we must speak of broccoli's natural predators, because there are creatures in this world who look at your beautiful brassicas and think, "Yes, that, I will eat that immediately." Cabbage white butterflies. The fluttering white butterfly looks innocent, like a tiny piece of drifting paper. But it is not innocent. It lays eggs. Those eggs become caterpillars. And those caterpillars can skeletonize a plant with shocking speed. Solution: use insect netting or row cover early. Check leaf undersides for eggs. Hand remove caterpillars if needed. Aphids. Aphids cluster on new growth, sucking plant juices and spreading stress. Solution: strong water spray. Encourage beneficial insects. Don't overdo nitrogen late in growth, which makes lush, aphid-friendly tissue. Slugs and snails. In cool, damp conditions, slugs appear like garden ninjas. Solution: remove hiding places. Use barriers. Night checks if needed. The good news: broccoli is tough. If you protect it early, it often outgrows damage and continues forward like nothing happened. When broccoli forms heads, timing is everything. Broccoli will eventually signal that it's ready by forming a tight central crown. This is the moment to stay alert, because broccoli doesn't hold that perfect crown forever. If you wait too long, the buds loosen and begin to flower, yellow blooms that are pretty but a sign you've missed peak tenderness. So harvest when the head is firm and tight, buds are closed. The crown looks like a dense, compact cluster. Cut the main head with a clean knife, leaving the plant in place, because then something wonderful happens. Many broccoli varieties will produce side shoots, smaller heads that keep coming for weeks. It's broccoli's way of saying, "You did well, here is more." Broccoli in the kitchen, making it actually enjoyable. A surprising number of people hate broccoli because they've only had it overcooked. Broccoli is not meant to be boiled into sadness. Try this instead. Roast it. High heat, olive oil, salt. Let the edges crisp. Suddenly, broccoli tastes nutty and sweet. Steam it briefly, just until bright green and tender crisp. Add lemon, butter, garlic. Stir-fry it. Quick heat, bite still intact. Broccoli loves soy, ginger, sesame, chili. Use the stems. Peel the outer layer, slice the stems. They're tender and sweet inside. Broccoli isn't one food, it's a whole set of textures. Florets for crisp edges, stems for sweetness. Leaves, yes, leaves, can be cooked like greens. You grow broccoli and you don't just harvest a crown, you harvest options. Common broccoli mistakes and how to avoid them. Let's save you some pain. Mistake 1. Planting too late for spring harvest. If broccoli matures in heat, it bolts or forms small heads. Fix. Start earlier indoors and transplant in cool weather. Mistake 2. Inconsistent watering. Stress makes bitter flavor and uneven heads. Fix. Keep soil evenly moist. Mulch helps. Mistake 3. Ignoring pests early. 1 week of caterpillars can undo months of work. Fix. Netting early, inspect weekly. Mistake 4. Soil too poor. Broccoli needs nutrition to build big leaves and dense crowns. Fix. Compost, steady feeding, healthy soil biology. Mistake 5. Waiting too long to harvest. If buds loosen or yellow flowers appear, you missed peak. Fix. Harvest when tight. Enjoy side shoots afterward. Broccoli rewards attention, not obsession. Why broccoli is a perfect, serious gardener crop. If you want a garden that produces real food, dense nutrition per square meter, broccoli is a cornerstone crop. It's not just decorative, it's not a novelty, it's a dependable, high-quality harvest that makes you feel like you're doing something ancient and sensible, like storing provisions for winter. And it pairs beautifully with other cool season crops: kale, spinach, lettuce, radishes, onions, garlic, beets. A cool season garden can be wildly productive. Most people simply don't try. They assume gardening begins when it's warm. But broccoli reminds us, gardening begins when you decide it does. A simple plan to grow broccoli successfully. If you want the simplest version, here it is. Choose the right season, spring or autumn. Start seeds with good light and cool air. Transplant into rich soil while it's still cool. Water consistently and mulch. Protect from caterpillars early. Harvest main crown tight and firm. Keep the plant for side shoots. That's it. Not a miracle. A method. Final thoughts. The quiet power of a winter garden. There is something deeply satisfying about growing food in the cold. When the world looks dormant, you are still producing. When most gardens are empty, yours has life. And broccoli, steady, patient, unbothered, becomes a symbol of that mindset. Resilience, consistency, strength without noise. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start with a plant that doesn't demand perfection. Start with broccoli, because in the cool, misty morning, when frost hangs in the air like a warning, broccoli simply keeps walking.